Many of you know him as Tyreek St. Patrick from the hit TV series Power. He made a trip to Jamaica recently, and his real name is Michael Rainey Jr. And we have that to share with you right now on Links W7 TV Celebrity Scoop. Hi again and welcome, and thanks for joining us for the program. We'll be right back after this short break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune every time we post new videos. The name Tyreek St. Patrick is no stranger to the local space of our entertainment and even on the international scene with the hit TV series Power. This TV series had a spin-off recently, Power Book 2, and it has garnered so much fans on the local and even on the international scene. But recently, the actor that plays Michael Rooney in the hit TV series as Tyreek St. Patrick made a visit to Jamaica, and he actually made some kind donations to people in the Mountain View area and actually children in general. And we really want to highlight this at this current moment on Links 007 TV. As you know, that show has garnered so much fan base right across the world and still continues to be one of the top streamed TV series to date, which is very good. So we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to who Michael Rainey is in relation to him playing the role of Tyreek St. Patrick in the hit TV series Power and Power Book 2. So let's bring you up to date with some information in relation to him. So Michael Rainey Jr., born September 22, 2000, is an American actor. He is known for the role as Tyreek St. Patrick on the Starz TV series role Power and also the spin-off TV series Power Book 2. The actor was born in 2002 in Kentucky to Michael Rainey Sr., whom the actor is named after, and Shauna Small, Michael Rainey's mother, who is actually from New York, and his mother is actually a Jamaican. So his career started and has developed into what it is today, and he has become a household name on the local and international scene. So he's actually of Jamaican descent, if many of you weren't aware of that. So on Sunday, when dancehall recording artist Mr. Lex hosted a Christmas treat in his hometown of Mountain View, St. Andrew, he was surprised by a special guest, and that would have been Michael Rainey, who plays the role of Tyreek St. Patrick in the hit TV series. So that means he was actually in Jamaica, and this is where his roots is from, as I would say. So in a post made to his Instagram page after the event, Mr. Lex revealed that the TV star Michael Rainey Jr., who plays Tyreek St. Patrick in the hit TV series Power, did not only attend the event but also gifted some children with tablets, adding to the Christmas cheer, Mr. Lex stated, which is a very good move. I think he is close to someone from the community, he said, and they took him over there just in order to share in the moment that was going on. And I must say, much congratulations goes out to Tyreek St. Patrick for actually doing this. So Mr. Lex stated that he gave away tablets. That was a very good look, especially because it's an inner city community, and many of the children there, they actually recognize him from the show itself, which was very good. Mr. Lex hosted this treat on an annual basis, but it's actually the first time that the star is actually passing through the event, and I know that this might develop a relationship. If he know about it, he might actually start to support the event on an annual basis. But this is just very good by Tyreek to actually visit his roots and actually share in the festive moment by giving tablets to students in that era, children in general, I should say. But as you know, he's actually a dominant figure within the hit TV series Power, and he's actually my favorite, and that is actually my favorite TV series to date, especially the spin-off Power Book 2 that has been going on online for some time now. I'm actually at the 9th season waiting for the 10th one to come out. So you can just drop it in the comment section how you feel about this actual initiative move by Tariq St. Patrick on his visit to Jamaica. But I believe that was a very kind gesture of him, and much respect goes out to him and his team for their continued support towards Jamaica and the development as well. As you know, his mom is actually a Jamaican and he was actually born in the United States, but Jamaica is his roots and he has not shown that to the side. But much respect goes out to everyone who continue to watch that show, or the TV series I should say. It's a very good TV series. It's well put together. If it's the first time you're hearing about it, you can just go over there, check it out. It's on Stars and some other platforms at this time. It's one of those shows that would really keep you hooked. I think I'm actually on the 7th year I'm watching it now, or 6th year or so. But it is one of those shows that really keep you hooked and keeping you wanting more out of it. So you have to just check it out. Wonderful TV series. Tariq St. Patrick, one of my favorite actors in that movie, and I can say he has played his role so well, and he has actually become a household name on the local and international scene. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the movie itself, if you have watched it, and if you have not watched it, just go over and check it out. It's a wonderful movie. So this is where I'm going to leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'm out for this one. Peace out and bless, and please go and watch Power. Great movie.